Finally, 3rd January 2024, movie was available for across the globe for all the customers. Requirement was mostly given on 1st December. Got what I'm trying to say? You're using single domain. You look at it, it's a single domain. It's not multiple domains. Please understand. They're not multiple domains, one domain. What is production? Across the globe, customers are accessing. You cannot impact the customer's accessibility. If you start doing some, for example, the other day, I will give my example. I think I showed you. My website was not working. Yes or no? Somebody went here and they saw my website was not working. They waited. Then they saw after 2 days. Then they were looking at the content of something different content. Cloud Bunny content was showing here. Then after 1 day, my content was coming here. Do you get trust? No, right? That's what you should not impact production. Understood? Should not impact the production. If you want to do any R&D, research and development, any new innovations, everything should be followed as stages. These are stages. See, now you mean to select this, I bought it, you're saying. What's your family name? That's fixed, right? Whoever adds, they will, by default, they get family name. Same thing here. So I no need to buy this subdomain again. Why? I already bought my last name. My family name, I got it once. Whoever comes in my family, by default for them, it goes, inherits. Same logic goes here. No need to buy it. And to achieve this, we use routing policies. In that, one of the routing policies called weighted routing policy. Here, let's complete this step. This can be useful for a variety of purposes. Now you understood the purpose, including load balancing and testing new versions of softwares. To configure weighted routing, you create records that you have the same name and type for each of your resources. You assign each record a relative weight that corresponds with how much traffic you want to send it to each resource. Even you can do this. For dev environment, you want to only 10 members are testing it. You can only send the 10 to 20 traffic. Amazon Route 53 sends traffic to a resource based on the weight that you assign to the record as a proportion of the total weight for all records in the group. This weight is calculated from 1 to 255. It is not 1 to 100. It is 1 to 255. So you have to divide based on the 255 only. Our IP addresses from 0 to, if you divide with 24, so how much you get? 250 only, right? So that's how they are dividing it. If you add 0 means no traffic will be sent. Nobody will be able to access it. Yesterday, we were not able to access direct instance. Why? We said, oh, you are only available and accessible from load balancer. We said same thing. Now, the weighted will be works like this. Record 1, record 2, record 3. So these are theories not needed. So simple format is live example with cloud binary. This is naked domain. This is called naked domain, naked. Even this one you're accessing with the help of 2 ways. Even I can show you. You see, this is not naked domain. Why it is not naked domain? It has first name, www dot. And the same website you can access with the help of without www. Can I show you? These two are 2 different records. Please understand. Fully qualified domain name is different. Naked domain is different. What is this? This is a naked domain. How can I say naked domain? Because before your last name, there is no first name. So that's a naked domain. That's the reason we call it as full name, right? We ask, what is your full name? We never ask, what is your name? We ask, what is your full name? Somebody says, what is your name means, they might say alias names. But if you ask across other states, they say the full name. That's called fully qualified domain name. FQDN. Okay, more theory, more confusion. Let's go to the hands-on.